In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay someone through PayPal. If you need to send money quickly and securely, PayPal makes the process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to enter so you can complete the payment smoothly. Before you begin, just make sure you're logged into your PayPal account and that you have the recipient's correct PayPal username, email address, or phone number ready. It's always a good idea to double-check those details before sending money, since payments are usually processed right away. Once you're on your PayPal dashboard, look for the option labeled Send and Request. This is the section you'll use anytime you want to send money to another person. Go ahead and click on it to continue. After that, you'll be taken to a page with different options. Here, make sure you're in the Send tab. This is important because PayPal also gives you the ability to request money, and for this tutorial, we want the sending option specifically. Clicking the correct tab helps make sure you're starting the payment the right way. Next, enter the recipient's PayPal username, email address, or phone number into the search or input field. As you type, PayPal may show matching results. Carefully select the correct person from the list. This is one of the most important parts of the process, so take a moment to verify that you've chosen the right account before moving forward. Sending money to the wrong person can be difficult to reverse, so accuracy matters here. Once the correct recipient is selected, enter the amount you want to send. Take a second to review the number and make sure it matches what you intend to pay. After that, confirm the transaction. PayPal may show you a final review screen, which is helpful because it lets you quickly check the recipient and the amount one more time before the payment is submitted. And there you go, your payment is sent. That's all it takes to pay someone through PayPal. As a final tip, it can be helpful to save your confirmation or check your activity afterward so you have a record of the transaction. If this is your first time using PayPal to send money, just move slowly, review each detail carefully, and you should have no trouble at all.